Welcome to Fiona's Food for Life YouTube channel, Cook, Eat, Nourish. Today I'm going to show you around my channel a little bit, and we're going to look at the seasonal updates. For each month, I'll tell you about all the different food that's in season in Ireland and links to lots of recipes. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel today, Fiona's Food for Life, Cook, Eat, Nourish. I wanted to show you around my channel a little bit more. So here we have some of the recent uploads, and you can click along here and you will see a selection of recent videos. The other way to have a look is to click on the search bar, and you can type in anything that you might want to have a look at there. So say for example I type in October, and there you have my October update, plus I've mentioned October in my introduction to fermentation. Really what I wanted to look at today was a third tab across, which is called playlists. If we hop in here, I have divided up or categorized all of my videos into different playlists. Today I wanted to draw your attention to monthly seasonal updates. So if we look at the whole playlist here, soon I will have 12 of them as we go through the year, but at the moment I have 4 of them there. So what I have created here is each month an update on seasonal Irish food, plus a link to a whole pile of recipes. So if we pop into, say for example, the September video, and I'll pause the video there, but if you scroll down below, we have some details here. If you click on Show More, you have the recipes, the links to all of the recipes that I speak about in the video. The video is a short one, it's only about a minute long, telling you what's in season. September, of course, is back to school time in Ireland, but then here are the links to all the different recipes. So make sure you jump into that description section to see more details. So I'll show you again. If we go into November, I'll just pause the video, we scroll down below, Show More. And there you have the links to all of the different recipes that I suggest you might use in November. If we scroll back again and we go into October, same thing, the video will play. It has subtitles on it. If you click here, CC, you will see the subtitles appear. And then if you scroll down and click on Show More, you have the links to all of the different recipes here. So each month I will be updating and sending out a seasonal update for you. So you will end up having one from January to December of all the things that are in season and the recipes to go with it. So thanks a million. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you click here and subscribe so you get an email of all of the different videos as soon as they are published. And please like and comment or ask any questions or offer any advice that you might have. Thanks a million. We'll see you soon.